Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up 3CX Startup. To begin, go to www.3cx.com/startup and sign up with either Google or with your email. We'll click on Sign up with email. Type in your name and email address here. Click on Let's Go when you're finished. Go to your email's inbox to verify your account. Click on Verify Email. In the Complete Your Account section, type in your company's name and phone number. Select your state/region from the dropdown, create your account's password, agree to the license agreement, and click on Next. Select the Hosted by 3CX Radio button and click on Next. Select the Up to 10 Users 3CX Startup Radio button and click on Next. Your 3CX Startup instance is now ready. Click on Let's Go when you're done. From here, you can add a user or users. Type in the first name, last name, and email of the user. Select the user's role from the dropdown. Click on Next when you're finished. If you'd like to set up live chat, you could do so from here. You can also do this later in the Office settings. Click on Log In when you're finished. Copy and paste the username and password to log into your new 3CX Startup instance. Congratulations! You have successfully set up 3CX Startup. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX as well as other helpful guides.